Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. Today was a winning day. I'm up 6%, which is the best day in a minute. But I had to pull out $1,500 from my account to pay bills and stuff. So, which is going to help me get to above PDT, which is over 25K, and then that's going to dramatically help my account. So I'm excited about that. So I started off with 2 filler trades. Lost like $30, which is nothing. Just wanted to see how the market was reacting. And then I had this NVDA trade. Let's get to it. The NVIDIA's in the middle here with the blue level 2. See it flagging and breaking high a day. So I'm in 225 calls for $1 each. I like the volume coming in, almost 200,000 average shares. And just keep squeezing. A lot of green coming through on the tape. A lot of volume. Those are things I love. So I'm looking. I threw an order out for one on the offer at 120. Just take some risk off. Because it's Friday. The contracts move really fast. And I don't want to get stuffed and lose a bunch of money. So I got one filled there for 120. And I don't like this topping formation on this candle. So if anything, I'm going to keep my stop on the last contract at break even. So I can't lose money. That's a good thing. So I get filled there at 104. So basically made $3 on the second one. So it's good risk management. And that's something I like to do. So that NVIDIA made only $22 on that one. But next trade I have on Facebook. Now Facebook was making this nice little triangle and has okay volume. Could be better. So I'm in. For some reason, I don't have my triangle set to where it shows my executions right now. I've kind of realized that halfway through the day, but I'm in 2 contracts at 136 apiece, and I threw an order out for one at 162. Not quite getting filled, and I don't want to mess around on a Friday and get smoked. So this doesn't go. I'm gonna get right out. So I don't like how that candle just stuffed at all. If it was a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe even a Thursday, I'd be cool with it. But so I'm out those 2 at 115. So lost like $42 there. So as of right now, I'm down $45 on the day, plus $54 with commissions. So then I had NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is kind of flagging here near high day, and it couldn't sell off. It's above VWAP, above the EMA. And I like it. And then you can't see the chart, but on the higher time frames, the hourly and the daily, it looks really good in my opinion. So I'm going to go long here. So since it's Friday, every time I bought on the offer, which is the ask. So I bought 3 contracts at 138 each. And they're 225 calls. So they're in the money by about $1 or 80 cents. So I just sold those 3 real quick for $30 profit. Because it's Friday, I'm a little skittish. I'm a little bit red on the day. I just kind of want to inch back to green. So this is a trade that got me green on the day. Because before this trade, I was red $29. Since I had that little bit of a green trade there. So Facebook. Now, I really like this resistance here. So it's like, if this goes, it looks like it has room to the upside to at least 383. and downside stop would be the low of the prior candle. So before I took this trade, I was going to take 5 contracts. So I was feeling, I guess Friday they're cheap, and the price action wasn't like some days I'll get in and it'll stuff really hard, and it'll just be like they're just pocket picking. But today felt like it was okay to push it a little bit. So a lot of times I'm in a Friday, I'll do 1 or 2 contracts, but I chose 3. I was really gonna do 5, but I felt like I would have been good with it, but the thought of it alone was just messing with my stomach. So I had to go maybe I have to go to the bathroom twice. So I decided, all right, I'm just gonna take 3 instead. So at the break of VWAP here and this resistance, I'm getting in 3 contracts. So I got 3 of them at 107 each. And then so I get in at 107, and then I'm a member of BlackBoxStocks.com's option flow service, and so I get out at 2 there at 129. So $22, that's $44 right there. Locked in. And right after I got into this trade at like 118 or something, or 120 something, one of the mods, my favorite trader, got in, and he actually ended up losing money on that position. He got in at 120 something or 130, and then he got out at like 33 cents. But I ended up getting in earlier and taking the quick pop on 2/3 of the position. And then the last one, now we're at new high day, ascending volume coming in, decent amount. I mean, the average is kind of low, around 44,000, but the average is climbing, and this candle is over 100,000 shares, so I like that. And in 1 minute, it's not bad. So I feel like this last contract I can get maybe close to $2. So it'd be $100 on that one plus 140. So not bad. So the reason why I'm up 6% after this trade, and after I take profits on the final piece of AMC I was swinging, which I took at like $15.80 a share. So the reason why I'm up 6% with only a $150 gain is because I took out $1,500 today. So instead of being like 3.6%, it's 6%. Okay, so there I just made it so that it shows the trades, options trades on the charts. And there so I'm out that one at 184. So I didn't even notice that I got out. But yeah, so that ended up being the top of Facebook for, I believe, the rest of the day. Let's see. Yeah, so I literally sold at the top. That's crazy. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna just rewind it for a second and see. What, 15. So so 20. The top of Facebook was, so I was 40 cents from the top high day. So it's not bad. It's actually pretty damn good. So at this point, my net P&L was like $89, but then I took profits on AMC, and then had the Activision position squeeze, so that was down. That helped it. I was down $35 most of the day on that one, or for at one point for a couple hours in the day. And then there was news on Apple that was really bearish, so Apple sold off a lot today because of some antitrust news, and that pushed Activision up. That pushed some other names up that are competitors, and so I went from down $35 to up like 40 or so on that. So $70 swing, which is awesome, especially for a Friday. And then the chart. Let me just show you the chart on that one real quick. So I mentioned in my other videos, if you've seen them, that I got in Activision. Now, explain why it looks so good. This wedge here, amazing. Falling wedge, descending wedge, whatever you want to call it, looks good. I mean, even if the price goes down to 73.50s down here, I mean, I'll just add in on dips. And even if it follows this line down here, so even if we get down, because I have till February 22 on these, even if we get to like 72, 71 down here, like that's how it plays out, and then we get a pop, like I'll just average down into these February 22 90 calls, and then I will, scale out on pops. But I think this is gonna go before we even get to that point. I'm just trying to think, different outcomes. I have other outcomes I've thought through, but I did notice earlier that the 77, 78 area was holding really strong. Like I noticed, like 78.44 here was holding really well. We got two closes right around there. We were holding above it yesterday, and then we sold off. And then this 77.80 area, we sold off into it, and then it got bought back up, closed above it, and then today we sold. We couldn't break new lows, and then squeezed higher. So we broke not only yesterday's high, but the day before's high. So that's really good. It didn't hold, it didn't close super strong, but 79.60. So $1.20 closed from the highs, but still I'm feeling really bullish on it. Looks good in my opinion. So that is why I'm still in that, and why I'm looking forward to what lies ahead with it. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you have a great weekend, and hopefully I'll get some videos posted this weekend.